Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you receive a call on your Samsung smartphone and it is on the speaker, so that means that option is enabled in the settings. If you want to disable it as well, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable that option. So what you need to do is to open your phone app, and then you need to tap on the three dots here. Then you need to go to settings. In the settings, you need to scroll a bit where you will find the option answering and ending calls. You need to tap on it. Here you will find the option answer using speaker. So if you enable this one, that means when the call comes, it will automatically be on the speaker. So when you receive it, you will hear the voice through the speaker. So if it is enabled and you want to disable it, just like that, tap on it and it will be disabled. So guys, if this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.